You're right. Yeah, it's definitely looking a little rinse and repeat, or dry and repeat, I should say, because we've got a pretty similar day today and tomorrow. And yesterday wasn't bad either. We just started the morning with a few showers along the coast. And remember, yesterday we saw a few more clouds over Hurricane Ridge, but I want to show you what it looks like now. We do have still a few clouds out there, but it is beautiful, and you can see a lot more sunshine today. And that's because that high pressure has really taken hold, and it will be in control for today and tomorrow. And then we'll see some changes as we go into Thursday, and that's because that area of low pressure will be getting closer, and it'll brush us, bringing in a chance for some scattered showers and some much cooler temperatures, about 10 degrees cooler from Wednesday to Thursday. But until Thursday, enjoy the beautiful weather. So this is what it looks like though in the upper atmosphere. The orange is basically the high pressure, the ridge, but it's booting out. Notice as we take a look at this trough that's going to be moving over us, that's indicated by the green. That will bring in the cooler air, the shower chances, and then we quickly warm back up and dry out for Friday. However, you can see Saturday we've got another little dip over us. So Saturday we may also see a chance for a few showers. I think they will be less frequent than on Thursday, but something that I just at least want to give you the first alert to. So as we take a look at your high temperatures over the next 5 days, again, tomorrow very similar to today. We're 82. I think that's the highest we've gotten so far today at SeaTac, 82, 81 for tomorrow, and then boom, just like that, losing about 10 degrees into Thursday with that trough. We stay in the 70s, and again, 77 is where we should be. So we stay pretty seasonable as we go into the weekend, and that's because we'll still have a little bit of onshore flow. So that water coming off the Pacific, or the air coming off the Pacific will definitely help to keep us a little cooler than the 80s we've been seeing. So 80 right now at the waterfront. We've got a north wind around 15 miles per hour. In tomorrow's forecast, we may have some clouds in the morning, but that will clear out once again, highs near 80 degrees. Of course, the island communities and the coast will be a little bit cooler, and the mountains tomorrow in the low to mid 70s at pass level with a northwest wind around 5 to 10. So you can see we've got a beautiful forecast ahead of us. However, it's Thursday that we see the big changes, but I don't know, with the heat that we've been dealing with and the lack of rain, I'm kind of excited for a little bit of a change on Thursday.